Hello, elementary school students across America and on United States military bases around the world. It's time once again for Michael T. Mondak Reads. My name is Michael T. Mondak. I'm your fearless MC. I'm back with you on Tuesday, reading one picture book virtually to you, your parents, and your teachers. But I can't do it without a preview as to what I'll be reading. Here it is for this Tuesday. Now, this world operates 24/7, 365. And while most of us are fast asleep, there are people who work very early in the morning, in the wee hours of the morning. I've done it myself. I've worked as early as 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, Big Bird one night can't sleep. He looks around for people to play with, not knowing that they had to work very early in the morning. When he goes home, takes a nap. After he found out he was the early bird on Sesame Street. Oh, wait a doggone minute. Did I just title drop the book I'm about to read? Yes, I did. You're about to hear about the early bird on Sesame Street, a storyline written by Linda Hayward and illustrated by Tom Lee. Let's get started. It was early morning on Sesame Street. The sky was still dark. Everyone was still asleep. Well, everyone, that is, except Big Bird. Big Bird was wide awake. He sat up in his nest and listened. He got up and looked around. There was no one to play with. "Where is everybody?" Big Bird asked. He began to walk. I'll walk until I find someone to play with," he said. Big Bird walked up the street and around the corner. When he came to a bakery, he stopped. Now, inside the bakery, the bakers were taking loaves of bread out of the oven. "Everyone there is too busy to play," said Big Bird. So he went on walking. When he came to a fruit and vegetable market, he stopped. Outside the market, the fruit and vegetable sellers were taking boxes of fruits and vegetables off a truck. Everywhere here is too busy to play," said Big Bird. He went on walking. Big Bird stopped at a firehouse. The firefighters were washing the fire engine. Everyone here is busy too," Big Bird said, sighing. So he went on walking. Big Bird came to a police station and stopped. The police officers were standing in a straight line for inspection. "Oh dear, everyone is busy this morning," said Big Bird. And he went on walking. At the newspaper stand, the seller was untying bundles of newspapers. "She looks too busy to play," said Big Bird. So he went on walking. Soon Big Bird came to a window with clocks in it. All the clocks said 7 o'clock. "What? 7 o'clock," said Big Bird with a surprise. "That's the time I usually get up in the morning. I must be an early bird today." Big Bird walked back to Sesame Street. By the time he got home, he was very tired. Yeah, I think I'll take a little nap, said Big Bird. Meanwhile, all of Big Bird's friends were waking up. Betty Lou was making her bed. The Count was brushing his teeth. Cookie Monster was brushing his fur. Oscar was reading the Grouch Gazette. Bert and Ernie were eating breakfast. Little Bird was washing his face. And Sherlock Hemlock was just adjusting his hat. Everyone was busy at the start of a new day. Well, everyone, that is, except Big Bird. Wake up, sleepyhead, said Little Bird. Time to get up. But Big Bird was fast asleep. And that, boys and girls, concludes the story. I'll be back with you on Wednesday at the same time on the same channel. I'll see you then.